Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mini Cooper Countryman bonnet. First, locate the interior release lever, typically found on the driver's side, beneath the dashboard, near the footwell. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click, indicating the primary latch has disengaged and the bonnet has slightly popped open. This is the first crucial step to gaining access. Now, move to the front of your Mini Cooper Countryman. You'll notice a small gap where the bonnet has slightly lifted. Carefully look into this opening. You need to locate the secondary safety latch. This mechanism is typically found near the center of the front grille, often just above the Mini badge or within the gap itself. It's a vital safety feature. With the secondary latch identified, reach into the gap with your hand. You will feel a small lever or tab. Gently push or pull this secondary latch. This action will fully release the bonnet from its secured position. Once released, the bonnet will be completely free, allowing you to lift it without any further resistance. This step ensures full access. Finally, gently lift the bonnet upwards until it is fully open. Some Mini Countryman models have struts that hold the bonnet open, but if yours doesn't, locate the bonnet support rod. This rod is usually attached within the engine bay. Carefully insert the end of the support rod into the designated slot to securely prop the bonnet open while you work. Always ensure it's stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.